So today we are making loaded Hasselback Bechamel potatoes. The trick to making the perfect Hasselback potato is actually to use a couple wooden spoons or a couple rubber spatulas, and then when you slice the potato thinly, you're not cutting all the way through. You're only cutting to those handles on the spoons. So then you can fan it out without the potato separating. You're going to need 4 to 6 large russet potatoes. I've washed these prior to cutting them, and now we're cutting them all thinly. Those are about 1/4 inch thick slices. The thinner that you go, the crispier that it becomes as it bakes. So if you like yours super crispy, just cut them really, really thin. When you're cutting the ends, be really careful because those don't usually reach the handles of the spoons or the spatulas, whatever you happen to be using, and you just don't want to cut through and cut that slice off. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil on the bottom of your baking dish, and then arrange the potatoes in it. Drizzle the tops of the potatoes with a little bit more olive oil, and then season them with salt and pepper. Place those in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes to bake. My temperature was about 360 degrees Fahrenheit. And as soon as they come out, we are going to add chopped, cooked bacon in between the slices. I cooked about, 5 to 8 slices of bacon here and chopped it up really, really fine. You can add as much as you like. If you want ham, instead of bacon, you can place small pieces of ham in between the slices. You could use turkey bacon if you're not a big bacon fan. If you like to kick it up a notch, you can also tuck in some jalapeno slices in between these. Top that with a blend of cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese with some freshly grated Parmesan here. And we're going to add about a cup of cheese in all. And then you're going to pour your bechamel sauce over the top. Bechamel sauce is basically just a roux that is actually made with hot milk, whereas a roux is often made with just water. And then top a little bit more cheese if you want to, season with salt and pepper, and put that back in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes to let the cheese melt all together and let it brown just a little bit. In the meantime, we're going to cut up these green onions so that we can add them to the top. About 3 to 5 fresh green onions, depending on how many potatoes that you end up cooking. If you're making this for a group, you can easily double it. You just want to figure about 1 large potato per person. And then just top it off with your green onion slices. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear them. Just drop me a line in the comments below.